Welcome to our channel, a place to explore the mysteries of life and seek happiness and wisdom. Did you know? There's a magical thing in the world that can make you healthy and happy, and even make you wealthy. Many wise people know its secret, but ordinary people might think it sounds like a fairy tale. So, what is this mysterious thing? That's right, it's energy. The energy we often talk about is not the kind that can charge your phone, but an invisible force that can bring about revolutionary changes in your life. This energy can make your body healthier, your mood more pleasant, and even make your wallet bulge. But the question is, how can we acquire and enhance this magical energy? In fact, this world is composed of three levels: the physical material world, the invisible energy world, and the higher dimensional world of consciousness and soul. Our lives are the result of the continuous interaction of these three worlds. Let's explore in a humorous way how energy works in our lives. For example, why do we sometimes feel unwelcome? It might be because we're emitting a low battery signal too strongly. Why does our bank account sometimes look low on power? Maybe it's because we haven't invested enough positive energy to attract wealth. Simply put, energy is like a master key in life, helping us unlock the doors to health, happiness, and wealth. Enhancing this energy requires us to start with the details of daily life, such as adjusting our breathing, maintaining positive thinking, and optimizing our living and working environments. Since the main core work of living a good life is to manage energy well, how can we enhance and improve our energy? This is a very subtle and wonderful life project. My mentor told me not to spread it, but I want more people to awaken and enlighten me, so I want to share it with you for free. What I'm going to say next is very important. Whether it can attract your attention and cause you to undergo a radical change depends on your depth of understanding and the amount of your blessings. Friends, there are 6 ways energy operates in a person: physical chi and blood energy. Physical health is the foundation of everything. Enhancing physical chi and blood energy can start with simple daily habits. For example, insist on exercising moderately every day, whether it's brisk walking, yoga, or tai chi, all of which can help the circulation of chi and blood and strengthen the physique. Soul consciousness energy. Soul consciousness energy is our cognition and understanding of the world. Cultivate positive thinking. Spend time each day meditating or sitting quietly, focusing on inner peace, which can not only enhance our consciousness energy, but also help us maintain a clear mind when facing challenges. Dress and appearance energy. Dress and appearance not only reflect our personal taste, but also embody energy. Choosing clothes that make us feel comfortable and confident can not only enhance our external image, but also strengthen our inner energy. Giving and output energy. Generosity is one of the important practices in Buddhism. Selfless giving can help others and also increase our own positive energy. Whether it's sharing knowledge, wealth, or love, all are forms of giving. Environmental layout energy. The environment in which we live and work has a direct impact on our energy. Keeping the environment clean and harmonious, using plants, water, and appropriate colors to optimize our living space can greatly enhance the energy of the environment. Business and service energy. In work and business, providing quality products and services not only meets the needs of others, but is also a way of energy exchange. Focusing on improving our professional skills and service quality can attract more positive energy and opportunities. Next, I suggest 5 easy methods in daily life. 1. Mindful meditation. Let's start with the simplest, mindful meditation. Spend a few minutes each day in a quiet place, close your eyes, take deep breaths, and focus on each breath in the present moment. This can not only help reduce stress, but also enhance your life energy. 2. Positive speech. The power of speech should not be underestimated. Try saying some positive words to yourself every day, such as "I deserve to be loved" and "I can succeed." These positive self-talks with high energy levels can attract more good things to happen. 3. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is one of the super methods to enhance energy. Record at least 3 things you are grateful for every day, no matter how big or small. Gratitude can make your mindset more positive and attract more beauty into your life. 4. Nature contact. Intimate contact with nature is a good way to recharge. Whether it's walking in the park or simply basking in the sun on the balcony, Nature's energy can help you regain vitality and enhance your inner glow. From 5, healthy diet. You are what you eat. Try adding more fresh fruits and vegetables to your diet. These natural foods are full of vitality and can replenish your body and soul with full, positive energy. Friends, I hope today's sharing brings you inspiration and positive energy. Remember, everyone has unlimited potential, and as long as we learn how to adjust and enhance our energy, nothing is impossible. If you like our content, please don't be stingy with your likes and shares. Subscribe to our channel, and let's move forward together on this path filled with love and wisdom. Let's spread this light and warmth to more people and make the world a better place. See you in our next video.